So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to translate text on the Gemini app. So the first thing you want to do is open up Gemini. On here you can see the prompt to ask it something, and you can also see your profile in the top right. So on here you can just go ahead and click on Ask Gemini. The next step would be to give it a prompt or a command, so you can just type in translate this text into, and then you will just need to add a language. So let's say it's going to be Spanish. After that, just type in something that you want translated, or copy into that some text that you need translated, and afterwards click an arrow. So I'll just show you as an example. I like using Google Gemini. So from this point, you can just go ahead and click the arrow and it will start translating it for you. So if you click on this, you can see here it says, it gives you the translation into Spanish, and you can even test it out by clicking the sound. So it's going to tell you how it's pronounced, and you can rate the translation by giving it a like. You can copy it and then use it as a translation. So that's how you can basically translate in Google Gemini. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Google Gemini or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.